This is Tammy on the Warrior of the Pirates Arena, practicing in my dance room, getting ready for Tribal Fest 11. It's way before Tribal Fest in May. I was practicing put my routine together. Now this is the Pirates Double Swords Tribal Fusion Belly Dance. Trying to put the first one in for the first song. So I do have a dance room. I'm always looking for belly dancers too, if you ever want to come over and dance with me in my dance room. It took a lot of practice. I had to practice keep balancing double swords. My first year, my big challenge, Tribal Fest. This is not Tribal Fest. This is getting ready, practicing and putting my routine together for Tribal Fest in May. If you look really close in the video inside my dance room, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a photo on the wall. I was a cabaret back in 1990. Well, I had to sit there for 2.5 hours on a Carnival ship cruise to get that photo done on the background. I was a cabaret the first year in 1990. Now this is Robot Tribal Fusion Belly Dance. This is electric robot music. So I had to put 1, 2, and then 3. The last one is a Rock On Ship Tribal Fusion Belly Dance. I had to put together 3 dances on my own. It took me a long time to practice and put it together. Also, my matey had to teach me. You've seen it on the beach in part 1. Fencing with the swords. I had to put that into the pirate acting through the dance, the pirate one. Because I do like to act through my dance. I like doing the whip that turns. Came out of the word of Pirate Torino. On the Pirate Tribal Fusion Billy Dance remix. I like remix Gothic, Pirate, Robot, anything into the fusion part of Billy Dance. And I like to act through my dance. That's my style of dance. I read in a Billy Dance magazine that if you practice in your costume, makes you more motivated to dance more and practice more. Also helps you to get used to your costume while you're dancing, getting ready for your performance. I read this in a Billy Dance magazine. One reason why I like to wear my costumes. But you do have to get used to your costume while you're dancing, especially all your isolations you have to do. Yeah, you can look really closely on my background. My very first teacher up there, Caroline Florence, she was my first cabaret dancer teacher, back in 1990. It's been a long time. I've been Billy dancing since 1990 on. Tammy Little was my first tribal fusion Billy dance teacher. But she was up here in UNR in Reno College. I took her workshops back in about the year 2000, somewhere in there. Now we have a group online on Facebook called Pirate Torino Tribal Fusion Billy Dance Remix. Our group consists Billy dancers, pirates, flyer dancers, music bands, and vendors. So you can always go on Facebook and request to be in part of our group. And you do want to become a pirate, belly dancer, and your music band, all that stuff. You must be one of those or want to become one of those to be in our group. But you're welcome when you are in the group to post your videos and your photos, your music, or what is going on. And if you are in our group on Facebook, always look under the Pirates Reno, under the events, what we're doing. We raid different places in Reno or whatever, and then this year we got our first pirate tent. So we're doing the Seafair event in Sacramento on September the 24th and 25th. So look under the event. Whoever is in the group will be invited to these areas. This is a private Pirates Reno group. You must be in our group to be invited. This is part 2 of practicing. The routine for trying to work out all the certain areas for get ready for Travel Fest 11. Travel Fest is always in May.